Roy Manamy, a passionate car guy that's into anything that's propelled by an engine, especially if it looks tough and makes big power. Oh yeah, I nearly forgot. He loves a burnout. To see enthusiasts like Roy, their cars, stories and much more, be sure to subscribe to our all-new YouTube channel, Glenn Everitt, Master of Machines. This channel was created just for you, made for car enthusiasts by car enthusiasts. So jump on YouTube, search for Glenn Everitt, Master of Machines and subscribe now. Don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button to see each and every upload as it happens. Your valued supporter subscribers allows us to continue creating awesome content that's free for all to enjoy.